Hey guys, this is day 32 of my 365 AI tool challenge, and today I explored Codium AI. So basically Codium AI is an AI coding assistant, and we can understand code, generate tests, find bug, and code faster using AI. So if you are a developer, this can actually be very useful. So let's get started now. So first go to Codium AI website and sign up using Google or email account. Now since this work inside your code editor, you need to install the extension, and I'm using VS Code. So I go to extension and search for Codium. First one is a Qodo. The Codium and Qodo are the same. So click on this and install it. And I can trust the publisher and install. And it's done. Now it's connected to your editor. And before you start anything, we have to sign in. Let's say I have this function. And normally I would have to manually write test case. And if I just click this, it will generate test for you. Since I have a free version, the test generation is not available on my current plan. Yeah, so overall this is a great tool for debugging, understanding code, and generating test. So this was overview of Codium AI, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.